Hi guys! Recently my kids have gotten into the Among Us game, so I thought I'd rustle up some Among Us chicken nuggets. These nuggets are my secret McDonald's copycat recipe and can be shaped into pretty much anything. So to start, we're going to place 3 cubed chicken breasts into the food processor, along with 1 egg and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You just want to pulse this mixture until a thick paste forms and it's all well blended. Line a tray with cling film and turn out the mixture onto the tray. You just want to spread out the mixture to around 1/2 inch thickness and fold over the cling film to help flatten the chicken out evenly. This recipe makes around 12 large nuggets and serves 2 children or 1 very hungry adult. Freeze this mixture for 30 minutes to an hour. You don't want it frozen solid, just hard enough to make cutting the nuggets out easier. I didn't have an Among Us cookie cutter, so I designed one using tin foil and sellotape. I think it turned out pretty good, don't you? You just want to carefully cut out the chicken into the shapes and coat them in cornstarch. Be careful not to press down too hard on the cutter, it could get bent out of shape. I say this from experience because I had to do this a few times. I pressed down too hard on the cutter and it bent it out of shape, so I had to reshape it a couple of times as I went along. I realized how easy these were, and now I'm going to try making them with some other character designs too. I don't know what your kids are into, but my kids are into gaming these days, so it looks like I'll be doing a lot of other gaming characters. After shaping and coating these nuggets, just pop them in the freezer for about an hour. It makes frying them so much easier. While those are in the freezer, in the meantime, let's get on with the batter. For the batter, you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder, 1 egg, and just enough water to make a thick batter. I ended up using around 3/4 cup, but for you it could be either a little more or a little less. You just want to add enough to make sure that it's thick but still runny at the same time. Now here comes the fun part. You just want to prepare some oil for deep frying by heating it to 180 degrees Celsius while you get on with prepping the chicken nuggets. So you want to dip the nuggets in the batter and shake off any excess. We're going to be double frying these nuggets, which gives McDonald's that signature crispy outside and the soft, delicious chicken within. The kids will love this and so will you. So let's get on with the first fry. Place around 4 nuggets into the oil. You don't want to overcrowd the pan, so be very careful. This is the point where my kids came into the kitchen and wanted to know what Mummy was up to. And when they saw the shape of the nuggets, they went absolutely crazy. At this point, you just want to fry them for around 5 minutes. They'll be a light golden color, not too dark. Just remove them from the oil, and now we're going to give them a second fry. This fry will take a lot less time because at this point you just want to crisp up the edges but leave the centers nice and juicy. This time round we only fried them for around 3 minutes, which made the coating extra crispy. Oh goodness, I'm salivating just thinking about biting into one of these beauties. You can't have these nuggets on their own. You gotta have something to dip them into. So we're going to make some honey mustard sauce. And for the honey mustard sauce, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. You just wanna mix that in really well, and it's ready to serve. If you like your McDonald's chicken nuggets, you've got to give this one a go. If you do try it out, let me know how it goes in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Bye!